Did you know you can create a custom home screen wallpaper just by typing a text prompt on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Using Galaxy AI and Creative Studio, your phone can generate a unique wallpaper based on a description you provide. Let me show you how it works. First, long press on an empty area of the home screen. Then tap Wallpaper and Style. Next, tap the home screen thumbnail so the wallpaper will apply to the home screen only. After that, tap the wallpaper icon at the top left. Under the Create with AI section, tap the Creative Studio thumbnail. Then tap Create Wallpaper. Now, type your prompt in the describe what you want to create field. For example, let's type something like a sunny day in a countryside. If you want, you can also change the style by tapping the style icon above the text field. From the available style, let's use marker drawing, which create a colorful illustration style look. Now, tap Generate. Your phone will now create an AI-generated image based on your prompt. In this screen, you will see some additional editing options, but for now, simply tap Done. On the preview screen, you can move the wallpaper to adjust the visible area or zoom in and out to frame it the way you like. Once you are satisfied, tap Done to set the image as your home screen wallpaper. And that's how you create a custom AI generated wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.